Hey, what's up people, welcome back to our channel. Once again we're back with another unboxing video. This phone is sponsored by my friend and I'm really thankful for that. This is our first high-end device we are unboxing on our channel and I'm expecting good results from this video. Now let's get started. This is the only variant which comes with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage, and this one almost supports all 5GHz bands. And now let's have a look into the box, and I'm really excited to open this box because this is a premium phone we're unboxing for the first time. And here we go. This is how the box looks. They definitely would have provided all things in the box, and now let's check them. In this we have a back case, a transparent back case and a SIM ejector pin. All these are cards which are definitely useless. It comes with a SIM ejector pin here. Now let's keep them aside. Let's have a look into the box. We have a phone here. Wow, this feels amazing. I mean you feel very premium when you hold this phone. See how it's shining. This phone comes with a Gorilla Glass body. And here we have a front facing Gorilla Glass 2. This body comes with scratch free and fingerprint free, and you can see how it's shining, changing colors with orange, blue, green and gray colors. Now let's keep this phone aside and let's see what are the things left in this box. And we have a super fast charger, comes with 65 watt fast charging and a earpiece too. Oh yeah, we have a earpiece too here. It comes with Type-C. We don't have 3.5mm jack support, and we have Type-C cable. Now let's have a look into the. We'll meet you after the phone boot up is completed. Oh, have you seen the boot up? It's quite amazing, right? Now let's see the bloatware. We have so many apps here: Facebook, Amazon Shopping, and Daily Hunt, Finish Self Play. And now let's go to settings and let's see about phone. Device name Oppo Reno 6 Pro 5G, and it comes with ColorOS version 11.3 and Android version 11, and Dimensity 1200 octa-core processor. But we have a cool feature here. When we go to RAM, we have expansion RAM. I mean, you can expand RAM up to 3GB, 5GB and 7GB. I mean, you can use this phone with 19GB RAM. Whoa, it's quite amazing, right? Now, out of 256GB, 235GB storage is available. Now, let's go to the refresh rate and let's see. We have a 90Hz refresh rate here. Yeah, we have 90Hz refresh rate, 60Hz and 90Hz. That's all. Now let's go to the camera department and I'll show you the options. Let's go to the camera now. This phone has so many camera cool features. When you slow it down, you'll get an aspect ratio, timer and 64 megapixel either off or on. And we have more settings here, either watermarks, volume button, all those. You can set them. And let's go to the video. We have ultra steady here and AI. And you know, they bought a cool feature. We can record portrait video. I mean, this feature is only available in DSLR, but they bought it to the camera. They bought it to the phone. Disadvantage here, this phone only supports 4K and 30 FPS. We don't have a 60 FPS option here. You can see this, but we have 1080p and 60 FPS. They would have bought 4K and 60 FPS, but they haven't. Now let's go to the more. Here we have dual view video and slow motion. We can record up to 1080p and 480 fps and 720p and 960 fps. And we have more options: extra HD, macro, and solo templates, sticker, pano, movie, expert, and all. Later you can check them in the phone. Now I'll show you the SIM tray. You can expand up to 2 TB by using micro SD card, and they haven't provided a hybrid SIM slot here. Now let's check the phone with back case. I'll show you the phone with back case now. This is how the phone looks like. It won't affect your phone's looks anymore. And now I'll show you the in-display fingerprint sensor, how it actually working. the fingerprint sensor is too quick. You can see now. It's too quick. And that's all for this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel if you're watching for the first time, and hit the like button if you like our explanation. And bye bye now.